this the first time you are watching our videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you all are watched the previous video that is part 1 of this series. Otherwise I'll provide the link above, click to watch. Let's get started. 2013, Atlas. The robotic revolution still hasn't arrived, but if it does, it's hard to imagine Atlas won't be leading the pack. Built in 2013 by Boston Dynamics, the robot still has the capacity to amaze as it learns more and more tricks. 2015, Reusable Rockets. Both Blue Origin's New Shepard and SpaceX's Falcon 9 rockets make successful upright landings after launch. Multi-use rockets could dramatically reduce the still hefty cost of space travel, which SpaceX's partnership with NASA had already lowered. The Falcon 9 launch is touted by SpaceX founder Elon Musk as a step toward his ultimate goal of colonizing Mars, which we might need to do sooner than expected. 2018, Metal 3D Printing. 3D printing metal parts has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing business by speeding up production and making customization, or upholding years-old warranties, more cost-effective. Parts can be lighter, stronger, and shaped in ways that traditional fabrication can't accommodate. In September, HP opens pre-orders for its industrial-scale metal jet printers, which are slated to become available in late 2020. Early customers include Volkswagen and Primo Medical Group. 2010, Siri. Apple's digital assistant is released as an app for iOS. Users can ask for information and directions, and prompt other phone functions, just by speaking to their iPhone. Although Siri 1.0 is buggy and has difficulty understanding some voices and accents, it's officially integrated into the iPhone 4S in October 2011, and has since been updated to include more languages, better speech recognition software, and a British accent option. Siri presages the swift introduction of more voice-activated virtual assistants, like Amazon's Alexa and Microsoft's Cortana, both 2014. Thanks for spending your valuable time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet you in the next video.